Since we kind of need those Doppler radars that some people think are weather weapons, we have to do this. It's going to be quick, it's going to be dirty, no bells and whistles. Here it is. Was cloud seeding to blame for the deadly floods in Kerr County, Texas? The short answer is no, but apparently we have to go through this exercise. So here we go. The flood was driven by a stationary mesoscale convective system, a slow-moving, organized cluster of thunderstorms parked over central Texas. These storms had cloud tops reaching 40 to 50,000 feet, confirmed by satellite data showing cloud top temperatures as low as negative 75 C. That tells us that these were deep convective, high-energy systems powered by nature, not technology. In contrast, cloud seeding operations target clouds 5,000 to 15,000 feet and only in their early development stage. Cloud seeding cannot produce storms. It does not create clouds. All it can do is enhance the rainfall slightly from clouds that are already there. We're talking about a possible 0 to 20% increase in precipitation. Usually it's on the low end. Now, Kerr County dropped over a foot of rain in just a few hours. That's way outside the reach of anything cloud seeding could ever do. On top of that, we had antecedent dry conditions, impermeable geology, terrain that channeled water, so it staged up really fast. Combine that with high precipitable water values in the upper atmosphere, which is a potential for flash flooding because it measures how much moisture, but you need more than that. Obviously, you need that instability that was there, and you have the perfect setup for a horrific flash flooding event. This was a natural system stalling in the wrong place at the wrong time. Okay, so facts, only 2 clouds were seeded days earlier, far away from the storm zone. All of this is public record. If cloud seeding worked the way conspiracy theories suggest, we wouldn't have been in a drought in the first place. Soil moisture levels would have told a very different story. So basically, to close, cloud seeding is real, yes, but it's a tool used in drought relief. In some places, it's not a weather weapon. And giving it credit for a flood is like blaming a squirt gun for a tsunami. This was atmospheric instability, moisture overload, and a stalled weather system, not a conspiracy. Let's focus on the real science, because understanding risk is how we survive it. This whole thing is just destructive. Because it takes us away from focusing on the problems and solutions. And in addition to that, like, don't target Doppler radar. I mean, that's how that is how we predict tornadoes. That's how we predict weather. Like, come on, man. Since we kind of need those Doppler radars that some people think are weather weapons, we have to do this. It's going to be quick, it's going to be dirty, no bells and whistles. Here it is. Was cloud seeding to blame for the deadly floods in Kerr County, Texas? The short answer is no, but apparently we have to go through